are we up to?
We just had some overnight snacks.
Yum.
And then we're trying to get the bubbles out. So we're burping.
Burping.
And then apparently turning her in circles helped her get the bubbles out.
I see.
Like this. I see Adelaide. She's trying to get it out of the air. What are you looking at?
Come on, baby.
Look at the camera.
I think you've already pre-burped her, so she's run out of burps.
Yeah, she did some massive burp before.
I see.
Yes. So she's all calm now.
Oh.
More puppy? Any more puppy? You're on video.
You right there, honey? You okay?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you
Yeah.
hear that? She said okay. And wow, look
Someone's
at
tired.
that.
Alright. Well, maybe we'll take more video next time when you've got some more burps in you. How does that sound?
Okay, gotta go. Bye.
Okay, bye.